Did you know email marketing is considered the highest return on investment marketing tool that you can use to grow your business? And that's why I'm going to break down the benefits of using email marketing for your independent pet store and the amazing benefits that you can get in terms of repeat business, higher tickets per customer, and new customers even finding out about you because of email marketing. We're going to break down these benefits in just a few short minutes so that you know, hey, this is a tool that you may want to take advantage of. Here's what it can do for you. And we're going to talk a little bit at the end about how to make this super easy for your business. Let's break this right down. Okay, so email marketing is incredible. And the number one reason you should be looking at this is because regular newsletters keep your store top of mind for customers. So we know that pet parents shop at a lot of different places, but we want them to shop the most at your store. So if you're providing valuable content such as pet care tips, training advice, product recommendations, this helps you build a stronger relationship and makes you the expert in the minds of your customers and encourages them to come in for more repeat business. Number two, you can promote your new products and specials. Email newsletters are an effective way to highlight new pet products, upcoming sales, or exclusive discounts. This is a direct line of communication with people who are already familiar with your store and have probably purchased from you before. So you can help drive more traffic to your store or website, boosting sales for items that you want to feature, like pet food, toys, or grooming supplies. Number three, it increases the engagement. So sharing informative and engaging content like pet health advice, grooming tips, or customer success stories keeps your audience interested and engaged, which helps lead them to foster a sense of community around your store and eventually purchase more. Number four, it can drive traffic to the places you want it to drive traffic. So whether you want to send them towards your online store, towards blog articles, or to get more people for your in-store events, it encourages people to take action. They're familiar with what's going on at your store, and it leads to increased website visits and foot traffic for your physical location. Number five, it's extremely cost effective. Email newsletters are an affordable way to reach a large audience of people who are actively buying or have bought from your store in the past, as compared with other traditional advertising methods. This allows you to regularly connect with customers without a significant investment. Number six, you can even personalize it. So if you know that your list is mainly people who are cat owners or dog owners or bought certain things from you in the past or shop a specific location, you can make your messaging extremely relevant to that targeted buyer for your business. Number seven, it has a huge impact on the strength of your brand and awareness of your business in your local community. So consistently sending about your pet supply store with your identity kept consistent, like your logos and your colors and your messaging, it helps create a stronger and more memorable impact of your business in your minds of your customers, which means what's the first business they're going to think of when they think pet supplies. Number eight, it's really easy to track customer behavior. So email marketing platforms provide insights into open rates, click-through rates, and customer behavior. This is going to help you understand what resonates most with your audience and allow you to refine your marketing and even your buying strategy to get the things in the door that your customers are most interested in purchasing. And number nine, you can even encourage sharing. So you can promote your email newsletters on your social media channels, put buttons on to encourage your customers to share the content that's out there that's going to help your customers expand your reach. And hey, new customers are going to see that that customer buys from you who's a friend or acquaintance of theirs, increasing the likelihood they may be interested in purchasing from your store. So overall, regular email newsletters are a super powerful tool, but they take time to do. Here's the good news. A new media retailer will build and send your email marketing newsletters for you on a regular basis, up to once a week. Click on the link below to talk to our sales team and find out how we can take over your email marketing efforts and help your store reach a broader audience on a consistent basis. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll catch you in the next video.